Hi, my name's James, and it's been 3 months since I said YOLO. Fuck. Hi guys, so a few months ago I went into the new Avengers movie and I was so excited for it because I've been waiting like 4 years for it to come out ever since the first Hulk movie starring Edward Norton came out, and Iron Man and Thor and Captain America came out, and I was so excited to go see it. I mean, like, it was the best movie so far of this year, and then this had to happen. Excuse me, thank you, thanks, yep, thanks, thanks, thank you. Now, do you know what was funny about this? This didn't last the previews. No, it didn't. It lasted the entire film. Seriously, I thought that's what the previews before the movie is for, you know, where all the fiddling happens, where you fiddle with your food, get your packets open and everything. But no, not during the middle of the movie. But now when I look back at it, I really wish I'd done this. For God's sake, give it here. Oh, there, it's open. Bastard. Yeah, so fill me in, because I personally am one who really hates it when I go and see a film and everyone around me keeps making noises. It's honestly the most irritating thing I could have ever heard of. So fill me in, let me know in the comment section below if this has ever happened to you. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye. This episode of the James Format was brought to you by Brussels sprouts. Delicious.